What's up guys, how you doing? Well, as you can see, I'm still doing this restoration, or well, I'm adding here the wood plank, and now I'm doing the baseboard, that's what it's called. And yeah, I'm gonna just show you around what I have been doing. So you can see here, I have been doing it a bit different. Normally what you do, you just drill them or you just put some nails, but in this case I'm just putting glue all over it. So good quality glue. The tricky part of it is to find something to push so they stick together, and I think I managed to do a good job. As you can see, I've been doing this yesterday night, and I'm gonna continue here with the master bedroom here as well. Figure it out this way, push some pressure. That one should be ready for today, so I can continue, you know, the building up. And yeah, I mean, pretty much the floor is done. Everything is done, and it was a bit tricky. It was the first time, and yeah, I mean, it's hard if you don't have the right tools. Luckily, I got the right tools at the end. So it's also hard if the planks doesn't stick together when you put them. It was a bit hard because I had to hammer them all the time, but it's pretty much done. I'm really proud, and yeah, you're gonna see later on the whole video what I've been doing, how is it looking, and so on. Right now it's a mess, a big mess, as you can see. I'm taking you for a tour so you can see everything that I have done as well. And yeah, I mean, there's still a bit of work to do. I have 2 days to finish and complete it. I'm confident that I can get it in time. So stick around. There's gonna be more projects so you can see. I'm gonna give you tips as well, because that's what I do. I like to learn, and yeah, I gave you some new tips. I used yesterday a tip that they recommend you to just spray water with soap. I did it in that wall here, and it got a mess. I didn't like it because when I spray it, it kind of like got a bit wet, the baseboard, and I was afraid that I wasn't going to be able to get rid of it. This is the one that I had to take away. But the thing is that today I realized that it's gone, it disappeared. So I was worried for no reason. But since I'm a perfectionist and I want to do a good job, I didn't want to risk it, so I had to change it again. But yeah, I mean, once again, it's just small things that if you're not sure and if you're testing, you have to, you know, see the pros and the cons. Alright? Stick together.